So why did you want to come to this workshop?
Well, I think it's a great group of investigators that cross a large breadth of investigation, all the way from the fossil record to transcriptomics. So for me, it's been a lot of learning in areas that I'm not normally thinking about outside of genomics.
And do you feel like the kind of format of this workshop has given you the chance to interact with these people from different fields that you wouldn't necessarily have had otherwise?
Oh, absolutely. And a lot of one-on-one interactions and great group discussions and potential new collaborations. So
great. Do you have potential new collaborations?
Absolutely,
You think then?
yeah,
That's fantastic to hear. Great. Okay, thanks very much. Can you just tell me a little bit how you're finding the meeting, and are you enjoying the meeting?
Yeah, so the study of human evolution and how the human neocortex became unique is necessarily a very multidisciplinary study. And the meeting has exposed me to people who study the fossil record.
That's been great,
fill in the
hasn't it?
blanks about what happened in the last 6 million years. And then people who study archaic human DNA sequence, things that might never have survived. We're so lucky to have this Neanderthal sequence, and now we can look back 500,000 years at what our genome looked like before our common ancestor diverged. And then people who study developmental biology, comparative development, comparative anatomy, as well as genomics. So I think you really need to take this integrative view to try to tackle this big question.
Hopefully,
brought these different groups together, which has been wonderful.
Great. And so has this given you sort of ideas to take back to the lab and new projects or new avenues to go into?
Yeah, and also new potential collaborations.
That's exactly what we're all about. That's great to hear. Good, great. Thanks very much. So can you just tell me what you work on, Zoltan?